So here we're going to look at the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, which means that there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to cross out this and then draw a line right here. And so this, we're going to have 2, and then we're going to find the determinant of, 1, -2, -2, -3. So that is that. And then we will go to the second column and then do the same thing here. And then we're going to subtract, and that's going to be 4. And we're going to find the determinant of 0, -2, and then 2, -3. And then we're going to alternate. And so let's go for the last column right there. So it's going to be plus, and then we have 6, and then we're going to find the determinant of 0, 1, 2, -2. So let's go ahead and deal with the determinants. So determinant is you're going to multiply this way and then subtract this way. So we're going to have 2, and then in here we have 1 multiplied by -3 minus -2 multiplied by -2. And then we're going to subtract here. So this is -4. And then our determinant is going to be 0 multiplied by -3, 0 multiplied by -3, and then minus 2 multiplied by -2. So that is 2 multiplied by -2. And then plus 6. And then we have 0 multiplied by -2, 0 multiplied by -2, minus, and then 2 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 1. So let's go ahead and simplify. We have, this is equal to 2, and then we have here -3, -3 minus 4. Minus 4 here, we have 0 minus -2. Sorry, -4. 0 minus -4. And then plus 6. And then we have 0 minus 2. So let's go ahead and simplify. So this is 2 multiplied by -7 minus 4 multiplied by 4, because 0 minus -4 is 0 plus 4, plus 6 multiplied by -2. So this is going to be -14 minus 16 minus 12. And this is simply going to give you 14 plus 16, 30. 30 plus 12, we have 42. So this is -42.